Crowded, but still the best public transport in Metro Manila. Going to Makati, Caloocan, Pasay, Manila. Well, even if you have a car, you will be dealing with amount of traffic, not to mention the parking problem. Taking MRT and LRT is always the best option if you want to save some time. The LRT is a good way, easily to travel, and it's a big help for the people using this. You can easily to go to your destination, but it's so many passenger. Poor facilities, some of the station like the escalator and elevator are not working. The LRT is a good way to travel around Metro Manila. It has two lines, line 1 and line 2 intersect in Doroteo O Jose station. It's better to take the LRT, just not at rush hour, as it is quite packed. But it is a good way to avoid getting stuck in traffic. I regularly use the LRT, and I am happy with its service. Plus it is also quite affordable. The LRT is a great way to avoid the traffic jams. Just keep your wallet away from pickpockets, and if you have a backpack, then hold it in front of you, or else you risk having it cut open by slashers. I've never been robbed, but I know several who have.
Hindi. Doon tayo ulit bibili sa amin.
Sakay ulit tayo.
Oo, sakay ulit tayo MRT.
Siksikan doon.
Medyo hindi na.
Masarap pag langaw.
Oo, masarap talaga.
Hindi ako nabibidyo.
Dito tayo sa EDSA. Lipat tayo na MRT.
Malapit lang doon.
Medyo malayo. Gusto mo pang umulit, Kiel? Gusto mo pang umulit?